What's up, everybody? Drew here. Today we're going to talk about how to use and set up artificial background removal on Lumabooth for the iPad. So you may heard of this artificial background, but it's basically an artificial green screen. And what I mean is you can literally use Lumabooth, right, the iPad, face the photo booth towards a wall or anywhere, and what Lumabooth will do is it'll actually crop out the subjects and allow guests to put a background on there, so you don't need an actual green screen. And this has been a game changer, and it's absolutely one of the main reasons why I love iPad photo booths, and especially Lumabooth. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and pull up Lumabooth here so we can get through the tutorial. Hit Lumabooth, and I'm going to launch the event. All right, so we're going to hit the drop-down menu, and you can find the artificial background removal under background removal where it says setup. It's the fourth one down, and then you'll see right here, right? You're going to want to turn it on where it says background removal. You hit that, and the next step would be to select AI background removal. That setting right next to green screen. And right here, as you can see, it's all we'll need to do is to upload some images to put in the background. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It could be a little bit tricky how to get the file onto the iPad. So let's just go ahead real quick, open up Safari, and let's just say you're looking for some stuff to add. Let's just pick this design right here. We'll go to this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and save that to photos. All right, and then I'm going to pull up the photos here. All right, and then I'm going to go to the top button, the share button, and put it to save to files. And then on my iPad, go ahead, hit save. So now we'll go back to Lumabooth, and we're going to go ahead and upload this image. We're going to hit the plus button where it says background image. But before that, you see you could put let guests choose, or you can put cycle through automatically. We like to leave the option for the guests to choose. The cool thing about this, you guys, is you can put multiple background options, right? So let's just say the theme is, let's just say a Mexican themed party. You can have, multiple backdrops available through here. So for this one, I'm just going to use generic ones. So let's go ahead and upload the image. You hit the plus button, and then here it says add background image. You can either have one to be set to be behind the guest, or you can do the overlay image where it'll basically overlay it in front. So we're going to go ahead and use background image. You hit choose, and you'll see here we'll have the first image that we picked. And we're going to hit OK. So now we have that one here. We're going to want to add another one because I want to show you guys the cool way of doing this. The best way to do it is to have multiple choices. Hit plus again. Same thing. We're going to go ahead and select this one here, the Avengers themed one. I'm going to hit OK, and we'll just do one more just for the sake of the video to have options. Choose, and we will pick the moon one. All right. It's probably not the best image with the moon, but I just wanted to show you that you can add multiple ones. All right, so now we have this loaded up. I'm going to go ahead and throw the iPad in the photo booth and give you guys like a live demonstration. Okay, so now let's go ahead and hit photo. And this is where the guests can choose the backgrounds that you uploaded. So you see here how useful this will be. And the quality is pretty freaking good, to be honest, for the photo. So I'm going to go ahead and hit, let's just go Avengers, right? Next.
Get ready.
I'm going to go ahead and pose. Cool, and as you guys can see,
Okay,
look,
smile.
there's no green screen here. The software is doing all of the work. And for this last photo, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to do a little bit more movement, because sometimes people aren't really posed fully. And even with the movement,
Good.
my hand is
Here's
still,
your photos.
it did a pretty freaking good job. And then obviously, guys, this is where you can either put your number in, you can email it, scan the QR code, or print if you're printing. That's pretty much the gist of it. And I want to emphasize that this feature is pretty much reliable just for photo and GIF because the subjects aren't moving. If you're using it for boomerang in video where people are moving, you're not going to get a great result. And I'll go ahead and just show you guys that. So I'm going to go ahead and select boomerang. And let's just choose this backdrop here. We're going to go to next.
Get ready.
And as always, boomerang people are going to be moving. So I'll just show you like this.
Ooh, looking good. share your photos.
And you can see, right, the movement, you can tell a little bit. We have the cameraman in the shot a little bit because he was moving and I'm moving. And this isn't this isn't the software's fault. I mean, it's meant to take photos and remove the background. Maybe down the line this technology will be better, but usually when we do the artificial background removal, it's mainly just for the photo. So let's go ahead and exit that out. So yeah, I think that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys found this informative, and we absolutely love to offer this as an upcharge to our guests. So think about it. You can literally, you guys provide an all digital experience, digital photos, digital method of sending via text, email, digital backgrounds, digital props, filters. You know, you can show up with your booth, point it at a wall, and the results speak for themselves. So I'm going to go ahead and post the photo that we took right here on the video just so you can see it virtually. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, if you are interested in getting started in the photo booth business, we sell iPad photo booths at photobooth101.com. So it's not just the shells. You can buy props, you can buy backdrops. We have an online community where you'll be with other photo booth entrepreneurs and a bunch of other stuff that we include, like sample contracts, sample booking forms, and most importantly, you have access to me. You'll have my direct line, and I'm always available to help. So photobooth101.com, links in the description, and also if you are interested in downloading Lumabooth, I'll have a link to download that on your iPad. Just take that link, open it on your iPad, and you can download Lumabooth and use it as a trial. There will be watermarks on it, but once you're ready to pay, you can subscribe on Lumabooth. So again, guys, thank you for watching. See you soon.